Hello 8th grade, this is your extension worksheet for Friday, August 7th.
So we are going to continue working on simplifying exponents using our exponent rules. Your worksheet should look like this. This is like a little bit of a matching game where we're going to end up drawing a picture in these boxes right here. So we need to simplify the expressions at the bottom, and then we need to find which one they are equivalent to up top. The color right here tells you the color to shade in the box that is equivalent to. This will make more sense as we get started. So looking at example 1, we have to simplify our exponents in this problem. So in this problem, do all of our terms have the same base? Yes, they do. What is the base? Right, the base is 6. So we're going to use order of operations and start within our parentheses doing 6 to the negative 7 times 6 to the 9th. When I am multiplying two exponents with the same base, what do? Yeah, I add my exponents. So I have negative 7th plus 9. I need to keep it in parentheses, and I still have my squared up top. So negative 7 plus 9 is what? Right, it's 2, so I have 6 to the second power raised again to the second power. When I have an exponent raised to the second power, or I have an exponent raised to a power and then raised to another power, what do? Yeah, I multiply my exponents. So I'll have 6 to the 4th power. Alright, so now I've simplified my first one. I know it equals 6 to the 4th power. Now I'm going to look up top in these boxes here and find which one it is equivalent to. I see G right here. So G says 6 to the 4th power. That means in square G, we put the color next to number 1 because we're matching the letter with a color. So square G is going to be black. So I'm going to find everywhere that I have square G and I'm going to color it in black. Or if you don't have the correct colors, you can use whatever 3 colors you do have. So I see a G there, I see a G up here, and then you're going to find all the places where you see the letter G, and that becomes black. In the end, you're going to have a picture. So you can ask Ms. Miller what she wants to do, or Ms. Clapp, but I'm going to be giving +5 scholarship points to anybody who correctly draws this picture. So once you have colored in all your G's, your picture should look like this, hopefully a little better colored in than I did. Alright, once you're done with number 1, you move on to number 2 and try and simplify this one. Here, do all of my terms have the same base? No. In front I have a coefficient, my number. I don't have any other numbers, so that can stay the same. I have 2 y's. What do I do when I'm multiplying with the same base? Right? I add my exponents. So I'll have 4 plus negative 2. And then I still need to multiply that whole thing by x. And I have an x here and an x here. I'll add my exponents, so it's 3 plus 4. And I'll end up with 2y to the second power times x to the 7th power. I look up top, I see, try and find which one matches this. And I see k right here is the same. It just has the x's and the y's flipped around, but when we're doing multiplication, that is equivalent. So then that means because it says black next to number 2, I need to color all of my k's in black. I see one right here, and you can finish up coloring in all of your k's black. Alright, go ahead, finish up this worksheet. Again, I'm giving +5 in Princeton to anybody who colors this worksheet in correctly. Good luck.